Hello students, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to learn a new lesson that is expressing our routine life to our friends or relatives, anybody else. So how to express it? We have certain support here in the board, you can see. So see, some adverb supports are given and then word supports to continue your fluency, need not be stopped in the way, and some conjunctions are given to join sentences. Okay, now students, are you ready to respond? Yes, sir. Start. Good morning, students. Good morning. How are you all? We are fine. Yeah, right. You know? Yes. See, now I will explain my routine life and then you will tell about your routine life. It is the question like this: how you pass your morning hours? I will now explain about my morning hour works, then you will explain. So see, I usually get up early in the morning, around 5:30 like that. Then I sit for meditation, yeah, for 15 minutes. After that, I do brush my teeth. Then I prepare my own cup of tea, and I take my tea, and I write something for some time. After that, I go for morning walk for just 30 minutes. Then I return back, and I take my first spoken English class. Then I come to your class at 8:30 like that. Okay, students. Thank you very much. ଏବେ ତମେ କହିବ ବୋଲେ ସେମିତିକା ଛଅଟା ଆଠଟା ଯାଇ କୁହ ବୋଲେ ଛଅଟାରୁ ଆଠଟା ଯାଇ ତମେ କେମିତି ଟାଇମ୍ ପାସ୍ କରୁଛ ଗୋଟେ ଚାରିଟା ପାଞ୍ଚଟା କହିଦେବ ତମେ ସୋ ଆକର୍ଡିଂଲି ତମେ ସେଟ୍ ହେଇଥ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡସ୍କୁ କହିବ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡସ୍ ରିପ୍ଲାଏ ଦେବେ ଟିକେ ବନ୍ଦ କଥା ଗୋଟେ ଡେମୋ କଥା ଗୁଡ୍ ମର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ ନିଶା can you tell me how do you pass your morning hours? Please carry on. 3-4 words.
I usually get up early in the morning.
Very good.
I wash my face.
Yeah.
I generally read books.
Oh yes, do you read English books?
Oh yes, sir.
Okay, very nice. Then then bye. Good morning, Iti. Well, Iti, can you tell me how do you pass your time?
Okay.
Please carry on. Yeah.
And wash my face.
I see.
Then
Do you use cool water or hot water?
cool water.
Okay, very good.
Then I read newspaper.
Yeah, do you read Telugu newspapers?
No.
English?
Korean newspaper.
Yes. Yeah.
I generally watch TV.
I see. Bye. Student to student round over. How do you pass your time बोल के तुम सांगो को पचारले से कहबो. Ready?
Morning, Namita.
Very good morning.
How are you?
Yes, I'm fine.
Namita, how do you pass your morning hours?
I usually get up in early morning.
Yeah,
Then I take water.
really?
I wash my face
I see.
with cold water. Then I take brush.
Good morning, Vijay. How are you? Well, Vijay, can you tell me how do you pass your time in the morning hours?
Yes, sir.
Please carry on.
I usually get up early in the morning around 6 o'clock.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
Very
And
good.
I wash my face.
Yeah.
After that I brush my teeth.
Yeah.
That after I do exercise.
After that.
After that I do exercise for 15
Acha, do
minutes.
you go for exercise daily?
No, sir.
Sometimes. Okay.
After that I ready for tuition.
Yeah, get ready. Yes.
I take some breakfast.
Oh, yeah.
And I go to attend my first tuition.
Okay. Bye.
I take breakfast.
Question you can ask me, do you?
Yes, sir.
So
Really?
breakfast, do you take idli dosa? Yes. Carry on.
Then I go to tuition.
I see.
After that,
Which tuition?
spoken English.
Good morning, friends.
Very good morning.
How are you?
We are fine.
Today I I speak how I spend the morning hours.
Oh yeah.
I usually get up early in the morning.
Oh yeah.
Then I wash my face.
We see.
After that, I brush my teeth and take bath.
Oh really?
Uh, af- uh, I generally praise God after bath.
Do you pray
Oh, yeah.
every day?
Yes, I pray every day.
Do you pray Lord Shiva?
Yes, I pray Lord Shiva.
Then
Then I take my breakfast and go to tuition. Thank you. Bye. Goodbye.
Very good morning. How are you? We are fine, thank you. You know?
Yes.
Today I talk about my daily routine.
Oh,
Yes. I usually get up early in the morning.
Oh,
Yes. Then I wash my face and brush my teeth.
I see.
Then generally I take my bath and pray to God.
Really?
Yes. After that I had my breakfast.
Oh, yeah.
Then I normally read books. Yes. Okay. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Very good morning.
How are you? You know,
Yes.
I usually get up early in the morning.
Oh, yeah.
Then I go to morning work.
I see.
After that, I come to home and wash my face.
Oh, really?
Then I brush my teeth.
Oh, yeah.
After that, I take my breakfast.
I see.
Then I take my bath.
Oh, really?
Then I do my homework.
Oh, yeah.
That's goodbye.
Goodbye. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, friends.
Good morning.
How are you all?
We are fine.
You know,
Yes.
I wake up early in the morning.
Oh, yeah.
Then I wash my face.
I see.
I will sleep. Then I brush my teeth
Oh, yeah.
and had my breakfast.
Oh, yeah.
Then I take my bath.
I see.
Okay, goodbye.
Yeah.
Yes. I sometimes go to park.
Oh,
I
yeah.
always go to school. Very good morning.
How are you?
We are fine, thank you.
You know,
Yes.
today I explain my daily routine. I usually get up early in the morning
Oh, yeah.
and with cold water.
Oh, really?
Then I take my bath
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
and I take my breakfast.
I see.
Okay, then goodbye.
Oh, yeah.
Then I wash my face.
Easy.
I will brush my teeth.
Yeah.
Really?
Then I go to the toilet for freshness.
Yes.
After that, I usually go to morning walk for half an hour.
Very nice. Yeah. Yeah. Do you take cold water or hot water?
Cold water.
Very nice. ठीक है एमती क्वेश्चन होता है तो पचार करिए
Vikas,
Very good morning.
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Vikas, how do you spend your morning time?
How do you
Yes. I usually get up in early in the morning and then I go to exercises. I come before 9 o'clock and get ready for my tuitions, and then I go to tuitions for spoken English classes.
Oh, yes.
I generally read English books.
Really?
Yes, I normally I normally cook for myself.
Really?